Hey there, I just want to do a quick review on this refrigerator. We bought this about a year ago with the intent of moving it out to our off-grid cabin in the future. This is one of these Frigidaire Gallery Series 2-in-1 deep freeze and or refrigerator. So you can go into the settings and actually convert it over to a deep freeze if you want. I'll show you inside here. So it's actually, this is the model number here. So it's a FGVU21F8QFC. As you can see, it's a fairly good size. All refrigerator or all freezer. So you could actually buy two of these if you wanted. Like most Frigidaires, you can see this is like a 2-inch thickness. So it's quite a bit thicker than your normal refrigerator, which gives it that excellent insulating properties. The only one complaint that we do have with it is sometimes it is extremely hard to open just because of the vacuum seal on it, and it's usually worse right after you seal it. It does also have a lock on it as well if you want to keep your kids out of it. The other thing is it is a one-way open, so you can't flip that hinge over. It won't let you open it the other way. So it's a left-hand open fridge. Anyways, the big question is, so we had this plugged in for almost 21 hours. This is sitting in a normal house that's at 72 degrees Fahrenheit or 21 degrees Celsius. And you can see it was almost plugged in for 22 hours. And it's used a grand total of 0.43 kilowatt hours. So that means on a yearly basis, this will use roughly 150, 160 kilowatt hours. And this fridge is servicing a family of 5 right now. So it's probably been opened during that 24-hour period, I would say at least a dozen times. And it's still managed to only use that much power. Thank you very much.